In this video, we'll show you how to terminate 100-180 FTP screened low-profile keystone jacks with Excel's Category 6A U FTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper and multi-purpose side cutters. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend to break it, and remove the jacket. Using the side cutters, remove the outer layer of foil and then remove the foil layers from the individual wire pairs. Insert the cable through the termination cap, then untwist and fan out the pairs. Following the colour code on the cap, insert the wires into their designated slots. Double check that the wires are in the correct position, then trim the excess. Position the cap on the keystone IDCs, ensuring correct orientation. Push down the cap and close the wings, using pliers if needed.